Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how you are going to start making money with CPA marketing, even if you are absolutely a beginner. So in today's video is going to be full tutorial with a CPA grip network. And in this video, I am going to share with you step-by-step strategy. Then what you need to do now, just watch this video to the end. And I will also share with you how to get the free traffic. So, however, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I don't guarantee you of any income. Your result may vary based on your effort, your skill, your experience, your consistency, and your traffic that you make. You can use a mobile phone to start this CPA marketing. Before I start, I will want you to please subscribe to my channel, like this channel, and also like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinion about this video, don't be shy or try to leave a comment down below. I promise you that I will want to move you through different strategy. Having your own account here right now, which is a CPAgrip, and I told you that I'm going to teach you different strategy and different ways you can make money through the CPAgrip. If you see here right now, you are going to see the monetization tools. By clicking monetization tools, here you are going to make you can start making money with content locker. You can start making money with URL file locker. You can start making with video locker. If I open a content locker now, you are going to see different locker I've made here. Let me open them now. By open them for you now, it's going to tell you you can see different lockers I've already made now. This one is TikTok, the landing page. This one is make money online. This one is a free redeem code. This one is a Cipro free course. That's for content locker. If I open a URL file locker now as well, you are going to see how you can also make money with a URL file locker. So you can see how to make your first $1,000 online, rainbow food printed PDF, full YouTube ranker, then also eBook. Then these are just different ways you can make money with a file locker. Then what of a video locker? This is another way you can also make money with a video file locker. You can see now full video editing course, banner step, and 25 superfood that feeds diabetes, blog monetization, then 11 video editing apps. These are different videos which you can lock. In the course of locking all this video, when anybody want to see this video, they will need to do one or two survey. In the course of completing one or two surveys, you are going to make money. So that's one of the strategy. On this other one, like a file locker now, for somebody to be able to open this, how to make your first $1,000 online, that person also need to complete. You can see here it says 7 offer, and what this person is requiring is 7 survey. The moment this person is able to complete this 2 surveys out of this 7, then the locker for this make your first $1,000 online is going to open. And the process of being open, you are going to download it. And the moment you download it, you are going to get that PDF, which is a win-win game. So you are going to have a free ebook of making a 1,000 online, and the person that is even running this CPA group on the URL file locker is as well going to make money. Likewise, this video locker too. The moment the moment somebody want to use this one as well, this is a course here, full video editing course. The moment somebody is able to want to look at this full video course now, and this time around you are going to complete one survey. In the course of completing one survey, the full video editing course is going to open for you, and which is what you are going to learn. And in the course of that one, the person that open and put this video locker as well is going to make money. So these are 3 different ways you can make money with monetization tools in CPA group. Then the other way you can ask when making money through this CPA group is called offer wall. This offer wall, you just need to lock some of or some content here, and you are going to create a link for this one. In the course of creating a link to this one, anybody that click that link will want to download that offer you put here as well. Then in the course of this one, you see that maybe you are going to use a free ebook. And for you to make a free ebook now, you need to come to uh, this website. And the name of this website is called freedownload.com. So for instance now, all this one now, they are free book. If I click on the marketing, or I click on blocking, or I click on the business, or I click on dating, you are going to see different book, or even dog now. You are going to see different book you are going to even download here. And the cost of downloading these ebooks now, you are going to lock them. And in the course of locking them, anybody that and that are able to unlock that offer, then the person is going to be able to get the links to this offer. And the moment you are able to get the links to this offer, you are going to start making money. And as you are making money, the person as well is going to have that ebook as well. So that's for that one. Then the other one you can as well make money here is what I call offer tools. For this offer tools, what you need to do now, you click on the offer tools. While clicking offer tools, you are going to see my offer. This time around, you are going to be started making money through different countries you are. And in the course of this one now, peradventure you are using whichever country you are is going to show your offer, is going to show where you are. Like here right now, this is Singapore. Because at the time of recording this video now, I'm in Singapore. But if you can see the offer in Singapore now that is too small. But for the purpose of this video now, you can use another offer from another country. Which other country like we use a first tier country like United Kingdom. You use United States. You use Australia or Canada. So let's trial United States or United Kingdom or Canada. You can see here we are seeing 0.04 cent. You are seeing like 20 cent here. You are seeing 22 cent here. But in all the other, in the first country, you are not going to see something of that nature. You are going to be seeing higher dollars. So let's put a United States here. United States. So this is United States right now. If you are seeing the United States right now, let it open. In the course of this thing open now, let it open, let it open. You can see here right now. We are seeing difference offer here. It's a complete a deal for $1,000 a buffer wins. Then if you click on this payout, is the payout that is going to tell you the amount to be paid out now. Click on this one now. Then by clicking that one, you're going to see, if I move down now, if I move my cursor down now, you're going to see that this one, you see, sign up for AARF for $15. Then you are going to make a $10 22.27. Then get a gift file a gift card. You are going to make $3 each cent. This get $1,000 for to spend on your cash app. You're going to make $3 and 8 cents. You can see that this one is more higher than the other one. So for instance, now let me use Nigeria as an example. So let me use Nigeria right now. Nigeria is here. If I put Nigeria here right now, you can see that they are having a very small cent that you can even get here. So that's the reason why. If you want to make a largest part of money here, you don't need to be using all this developing country. You can see this is 0.05%, this is 0.05%. Then for you to know the highest payout now, you need to click this one now. When you click this one now, you can see the highest payout now is just 20 cents. Unlike United Kingdom, let's put a United Kingdom here now, GB. This is GB, which is United Kingdom here right now. Let's see the largest amount you can even offer here right now. You can see here, let's put it here, the highest here right now. And this is the lowest now. You can see here we are having $6.42. Can you compare this one to Nigeria where you are seeing 9.20 cents? This which is comparable. So this is the first matrix you can use to make money on a CPA group. Because I've already promised you that I'm going to teach you different method or different strategies that you are going to start making money on this platform. I want to believe you are enjoying this video. If you are enjoying this video, what I will want you to do for me now that is not going to cost you any damn, just subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So the other metrics you are going to be using right now, you can see here right now we are having all this operating system. If you see this one now, you say, oh, what do you mean by all? It means that it may be Apple AI, it may be desktop, it may be Android. But this other one is just desktop. Why this other one is just Apple iOS? Why this other one is just Android? So like I told you the other time, like I said, there are many metrics and there are different ways and different strategies you need to know before you start making money on this platform. I've told you two now. The third one I'm going to share with you right now is you need to know that for you to promote any offer, the offer should have at least two operating system. If you see this one now, this is three. This is a desktop. This is a Apple iOS. This is a Android. This is three. Why this one is one? If you want to promote this one now and you are promoting this and you for prevention for one reason or the other, you make a mistake and you now put it on the desktop, you're not going to make money because in the first instance, this one is an hydro. So that's why whenever you want to promote any offer, you make sure that that offer get at least through the operating system. So I've taught you three strategies now. The fourth strategy I want to teach you right now, you need to come by your right hand side here. If you see here, you are going to see net EPC. What is EPC? This is N per click. Then you need to put all this one into consideration as well. If I move down now, you can see that we are seeing a 0.093 here, 0.07 here, right? You are seeing a zero here, you are seeing a zero here. So another one you also need to put into consideration is net performance. If I click on net performance now, it's going to come up the way we are. For the net performance now, you are going to see 79% here, 79% here, 45% here. And for the other one that has a white type, you should not promote all those ones. Now, if I move down now, you are going to see all this 12%, meaning that you can't compare 12% to 79%. It means for this offer to convert, it's going to take a long time. Meanwhile, this offer can even convert easily because you are seeing them 79%. Out of 100 people that promote this thing, 79% of them convert. So that is what is this one is telling you now. So now, you need to put network performance into consideration. You also need to put click rate into consideration. You also need to put neck M per click into consideration. So these are the metrics and all the strategy I promised to teach you now. And I want to believe you have enjoyed this video. And prevention, you are still having any question you want to ask about how to make money on CPAgrip. So I want you to go to the comment section of this video, put those your questions there. When I see those questions, I'm going to do justice to them. So on this note, I want to bring this video to an end at this point. So I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.